looking to master the art of English? Then I'm the teacher for you. My name is Yolanda and I'm from Cape Town, South Africa. I do have a bachelor's degree in Education Foundation phase and I recently obtained my 120-hour TEFL certificate. I know learning of English can be a daunting and stressful process, but I like to create a safe learning environment for my students, where we can learn, have fun, make mistakes, and feel comfortable with learning English. My classes are student-oriented. They will focus on grammar, pronunciation, reading, and conversational skills. They will help you with your learning experience. I hope to see you soon in my classroom. Thank you. Bye.